Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix trial option not showing on your Instagram. So if I come over here to my Instagram and say I want to upload a reel on my Instagram, I'll click on this plus icon over here. Once I click on the plus icon, I'll come to Reels sections because this is the trial reels whereby you can upload them. So once I come to reel options over here, I'll be given access to my account. Once I'm given access to my account, I'll choose a reel I want to upload. Say for example, I want to upload this reel over here. So say for example, I want to upload it. I'll just tap on not now. Alright, so for this case, let me choose a video as a reel I want to upload because it will make some sense. So I'll come here to recent and then I'll come to videos. Once I come to videos over here, I'll choose this video over here. So say for example, I want to upload this video, just come and tap on next. Once I tap on next, I'll be uploading it as my reel. And as you can see over here, the trial option is there for me. So if I want, I just come and tap on this one over here and then tap on it and close, and then the trial option is there. So guys, if at all you don't have the trial option, for this case, what you'll do is quite simple. You go ahead and then go back to your home screen, open Instagram, hold on Instagram, then come on app information. Once you come on app information, guys, you'll have to clear your cache and data. So come to storage. Once you come to storage, clear the cache and then clear the data. After doing that, head over to your Google Play Store and then make sure that you update your Instagram if at all it's outdated. So quickly, I'll come to my Google Play Store, then I'll search for Instagram. Once I search for Instagram, go ahead and then update your Instagram from here and then open it. Once you open it, you see that trial option highlighted over here like this. That's it, guys. Simple as it is. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet in the next video once again.